Ever feel like your money just doesn't go as far as it used to? That a $20 bill buys less today than it did a few years ago, or even last year? Today, we're diving into the powerful economic force known as inflation, and specifically, how it relentlessly erodes your purchasing power. Understanding this concept is crucial for managing your personal finances effectively. At its core, inflation is a general increase in prices across the economy, meaning your money buys less. Imagine a time when a specific grocery item, say a gallon of milk, cost $3. If inflation causes prices to rise by 5%, that same gallon might now cost $3.15. Your original $3 can no longer buy that full gallon. This means your hard-earned dollars effectively buy less, making every dollar worth a little less than before. This isn't just about milk. Think about bigger purchases. A car that cost $25,000 5 years ago might be $30,000 today. If your salary hasn't increased proportionally, your ability to afford that car has diminished significantly. Inflation also acts like a hidden tax on your savings. Money sitting idle in a low-interest bank account, for instance, is losing real value over time, as its earning potential isn't keeping pace with rising costs. The long-term impact is even more profound, especially for retirement planning. If you saved $100,000 for retirement today, its actual buying power 20 years from now, with an average 3% inflation rate, could be equivalent to only around $55,000 in today's dollars. Did you know that in 1950, the average price of a movie ticket was just 46 cents? That's stark evidence of how dramatically purchasing power shifts across generations due to persistent inflation. So, inflation isn't just a buzzword, it's a constant, powerful force silently chipping away at the value of your money. Understanding this erosion of purchasing power empowers you to make smarter financial decisions, from how you save to where you invest. If you found this explanation helpful, please give this video a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more essential financial insights. Let us know in the comments how inflation has impacted you.